Here we have a 2023, it's a Dodge Charger RT, the 5.7 Hemi. We just upgraded the tips on the back, took the factory rear mufflers off, put some nice 5-inch tips on there, left the factory mid mufflers. You know, everybody gets confused about what's a muffler and what's a resonator these days, but I call them all mufflers. So the two mid mufflers there, left the factory active exhaust valves in place, so it's all stock except taking the rear mufflers off. Put some nice 5-inch roll tips on there, so it's going to wake up the dead a little bit. Not too bad though. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, that actually sounds pretty good. Not quite waking up the dead, but pretty good, especially on the cold start. Of course, if you want it louder, you take the mid mufflers out, right? Sounds pretty good.